Alright guys, this video is basically for one group of people and one group of people only. You have to leave Costa Rica. But you need to come right back, maybe the same day, maybe a couple days later, and you've never done it before. And that can cause a lot of stress, a lot of uncertainty. Is it legal? What am I doing? How do I do it? Oh my gosh, and is it going to cost a lot? I got your back. I got your back. All right, all that in a minute, step by step. I'm Michael Allen, TravelCostaRicaNow.com. TravelCostaRicaNow.com is a travel agency, so go to TravelCostaRicaNow.com. Fill out the 4-minute form. You'll be that much closer to the vacation of a lifetime. And as always, I'd appreciate a subscribe. YouTube is tough. All right, man, it's early. It's Saturday. It's February 13th. Do you got your big cup of coffee? I certainly do. And I'm not even going to say that this may be my second or third one. All right, guys, there's a lot of reasons why people might have to leave Costa Rica and return right away. You know, they're on a recognizance mission. They live in Germany. They don't want to go back to Germany. They're in the middle of trying to obtain their residency. Maybe they're building a house. Maybe they're doing stuff. But a lot of people have to leave. One reason is because March 2nd is fast approaching. A lot of people have been over here a year and they did not have to leave. Well, March 2nd is the cutoff, and everybody that's been stuck over here on their tourist visas will have to leave. And then some of you came here a little bit later, maybe a couple months ago, but you still have unfinished business here. So you don't really necessarily want to go back. You just want to go somewhere real quick and come back. Now, the problem with that is the land borders are closed at least until March 2nd. Now, they may open, but do you really want to wait? You people have never done this before. You don't want to wait. You want to get to what you want to do what you need to do, and you don't want to do it at the last minute. I totally understand that. And I don't think you should really do anything that's going to jeopardize your visa by like going past the date when you're supposed to leave. So here's what you need to do. So obviously you can't go to Nicaragua and Panama by land. Yes, you could fly over there. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. First, it's better if you do this in San Jose, but I actually did it on the internet last night. It seemed to be a little bit more expensive. You are going to go to Tika Bus. Tika Bus. There's a place in San Jose. You can go get a bus ticket. All right, you're going to get a bus ticket. What is this bus ticket? This bus ticket is going to be your proof that when you do come back into Costa Rica, that you're going to be leaving again in 90 days. That bus ticket, my friend just did it. He got one for $29. Now, when I did it on the internet, it was at $55, and I was having a hard time finding dates that corresponded. But it seems like you can buy it on the internet. I think I would encourage you, if you're in the San Jose area, to just go to Tika Bus and do it that way. Now, this has always been a thing ever since I've lived here. So what this bus ticket does is, when you go somewhere, okay, you leave. Let's use Mexico. We're going to use Mexico for this whole video. So you go to Mexico, you stay there for 2 days, and now you're checking in to come back to Costa Rica. They are going to ask you at the ticket where you check in, where's your ticket that says you're leaving? And again, you want that ticket to say around, let's see, 75 to 85 days away. And that's what you want to have your bus ticket set up. That bus ticket is legal way of saying that you're leaving. So when they see that ticket, they're like, okay, he's leaving, and you're fine. They also, but don't always, ask you for when you're leaving Costa Rica, when you actually go through immigration at Costa Rica, but they don't always do that. I know people that they only had a one-way ticket to Costa Rica, and when they checked in, they literally were not allowed to board unless they bought a return ticket right there on the spot. So this bus ticket, this Tika Bus ticket, is a very cheap option. Again, my friend, $29. Me, I was getting $55. Of course, I didn't check out because I really wasn't purchasing it. So Again, I was playing with the dates into Panama and Nicaragua, and some were saying, oh, try another date, but I did find some dates, and the mine was 55. So I'm just saying, again, but it's a little bit cheaper than an airline ticket, right? So now what you need to do, and again, I'm using Mexico, but I'm sure there's other countries, so please don't go, why are you saying Mexico? There's other countries that are cheaper. You're looking for a country that doesn't have the requirements of COVID testing or travel's insurance. Mexico doesn't. So you don't need any of those things. You can just go to Mexico. There's no requirements, and that saves you some money. Again, there's probably other countries. So you got your ticket to Mexico, your round trip, Mexico back to Costa Rica. You go to Mexico for let's say a few days, or actually you can turn right around if you want. You know, that whole you have to be gone for 3 days actually isn't a real thing. So you can actually come back the same day if you want, but hey, you're in Mexico. Go to Cancun, have some fun. So 2 days before you leave Cancun, you're going to have to get your traveler's insurance. So you get your traveler's insurance. That link is going to be in my description. I've got decent traveler's insurance at a good price. So you get your traveler's insurance again for 90 days. If you only get traveler's insurance for 10 days, they're only going to, when they stamp you back into Costa Rica, you're only going to be good for 10 days. So you want your bus ticket for like 90 days away. You want your traveler's insurance to last you the 90 days. So you get your traveler's insurance, and then about a day and a half before you have to leave, you have to fill out your health pass. Again, that link in the description. It's going to ask you for your policy number and your traveler's insurance, and then this all creates a QR code, and that's what you're going to be using to check in and all that. So I think it can be pretty cost effective because, again, the traveler's insurance is not that expensive now. Costa Rica isn't requiring a COVID test anymore. The health pass is free. And if you go to a country that doesn't have any of those requirements, you're saving there as well. And the bus ticket is probably a little less than an airline ticket. Okay? I think that's it. So this, again, for all you guys that need to go there, come back, finish your business up in Costa Rica, whether you're applying for residency, doing all kinds of other things, and you just can't be bothered to go back to Germany or spend time going anywhere. You just want to get back and finish your business. Anyway, guys, I'm Michael Allen, travelcostaricanow.com. Peace, guys. Hope it helps. Enjoy your Saturday. Oh, man, coffee. Oh, by the way, I drink 1820. That's the coffee. A lot of you guys ask 1820. It's pretty good.